All right, so we're going to look at the charts real quick. This is Bitcoin on the weekly chart. It's about like 2 or 3 years in, and every time Bitcoin breaks above the EMA ribbons, you got a rally, comes down, right, hits that support, comes up, comes back down. The red is the 50-week EMA, right? The 50 EMA line. So every time we touch that, you rally up, come back, you round right here, double top, come back down, you touch the 50-week EMA, right? Bottom, whatever. You come up, double top, come back, you touch the 50-week EMA. This is November 13th, 2025. This is also a trend line here, right? If I take a pen, right? I mean, it's better to do like whatever on the computer. I'll show you in a second. But if you take a pen and you pretend this is like a trend line, it's bouncing on the trend line, right? Along with the other, the supports and the EMAs, whatever. And you got these wicks that are coming up, these big wicks after you rally up, right? Rounding, double top, come back down. This is where we are right now. Now, every time you go below that 50-week EMA, that wick below there is about a $4,000 wick, right? Drops below, but it closed above it. Come over here. What is that? That's another $4,000 wick below it, but closed above it. Come over here. We're currently sitting at about 99,000, 98,000, whatever Bitcoin. So I've been saying, like my prediction, you're going to see another $4,000 drop before a potential consolidation period and then a rally. So you can have all the news in the world, positive news, whatever, negative news, whatever, but it's going to continue following a trend, right? So right now, this trend is bullish, right? A lot of people are saying, oh, we're in a bear cycle. Like, okay, it's fine. But this trend is going up, right? This is a bullish trend. We have a pullback here. Now listen, if we break this support, yeah, we could come back down here and test these levels, which is about, I don't know, let me see here. You're about like an 87, 85-ish range Bitcoin if we lose this support. I'm not saying I have a crystal ball, right? I'm not saying this is 100% going to bounce, but it's a good area to be watching, especially if you're into altcoins, meme coins, mainly altcoins or whatever, because they're going to rally with Bitcoin. You also have Bitcoin dominance dropping. You also have, right now we're in a fear and greed. We have a 30 on the altcoin. We're not in altcoin season yet, guys, but it's coming, right? So I'm predicting another $4,000 drop to about 94, 95,000 before we start seeing another pump. When you see a weekly close candle above the red EMA, which is a 50 EMA, right? That would be a safe bet to, maybe add more to your position or jump in if you're not in there. Obviously, have your stop losses, do your own research. It's not financial advice, yada, yada, yada. But I think it's something to definitely take, notice of. So this is what I'm talking about. What happens here, right? EMA ribbons, they crossed. We had a huge rally. Pump. Came back down. Found support right around here. Pumped again. Rounding a little bit around. Came back down. Right here, if you zoom in, right there, 54,000, right? The wick below, whatever, 50,000. It's a $4,000 wick below, right? We closed above it. This candle right here closed, this one right here closed above it. You had a rally, little smaller rally, a retest, candle closed above it, doji candle, and then we take off, right? This right here, double top, okay? This is a double top. Usually people will get nervous, they start selling, and what happens? We came back down, tested, double top, and we kept falling, right? If you zoom in, these are weekly candles. This week we had a huge drop. This was indecisive, and then look, as soon as you get that close below that green line, you start, boom, tanked. What happened? 50-week EMA, right? Again, where are we on? Right there, at the bottom of this candle, bottom of that close, 78,000, right? What happens? Dropped all the way down here, right? To the end of that wick. What is that? 4,000. It's a $4,000 drop. That's twice that happened here and here. Where are we right now? Same thing. Double top. Bitcoin hit all-time highs, 125. What happened? Drop below. Huge sell-off, right? 50-week EMA. $4,000 wick below it. You're going to be, right now we're at 98, 99. You're going to be at a $95,000 Bitcoin before the next leg up, right? So if you look at these charts, right, every time, usually this is a flagpole, bull flag, right? So we have 3 bull flags. Usually, the way the bull flag works is you usually take the flag pole of the previous one, right? So if those of you who don't know, right, this is what a bull flag looks like, right? So here's the pole, and then here's the flag, right? Bull flag. Obviously, it's not perfect. I'm just doing it quick to show you guys because I don't have much recording time on this, but you guys get the point. So usually whatever, bull flag. So you take the pole of the previous bull flag. Now right, so there, and then you put it here, right? Similar, same thing. You put it here, ish, right? So where are we right now? We're right here. You're probably going to see, I want to say probably $140,000 to $150,000 Bitcoin for this next leg up. Now, is it 100%? No, nothing. Nothing is 100%. This isn't like, this isn't like I don't have a crystal ball like that. This can fall. This can lose its support right here. We can come crashing all the way back down. Next support is around here, roughly, right? 86, 87,000, 85,000 Bitcoin. I'll make it easy for you guys, right? I'll take out my trend lines. Let me get rid of that. Hold on a second. So, got this. So, right here, 86,000. Same thing. What happened here, right? What happened here? The resistance became new support. This is resistance, this whole line. We came up. As soon as we broke above it, huge rally. Huge rally, right? Double top, came back down, hit the support, and also the 50-week EMA. Came back up, double top, right? Now if we go onto the 4-hour chart, right? What's happening? Make it easy for you guys. Let me get rid of this. Okay. We are currently in, so here's the Fibonacci retracement, whatever. I'm not getting into that in this video. So you take this right here, right? This is a parallel channel, right? You take the previous, all-time high, and you bring it down, right? Following this line, you bring it over, right? What do you see? This is a descending channel. Came up. Look at how many times you got rejected. Reject. Came back down. Found the support right here, which is also at the 61 whatever Fibonacci. Came back up. This dotted line, it's a pivot line. Reject, right? Look what happened. Came back down. Hit the line right here. Came up. Reject. Rallied above it, but you're still getting rejected by this top. Came back down. Came back down. Look.